Your IoT devices, medical implants, smart grids, connected cars are under siege. One vulnerable sensor can mean life-critical systems failing, mass data leaks, industrial sabotage. We test IoT ecosystems end-to-end. 1. Black box wireless attacks, BLE, Zigbee, Wi-Fi. Protocol fuzzing, MQTT, CoAP. 2. White box firmware dump analysis, hardware debugger exploitation. We've neutralized threats in remote surgery robots, blocked RCE in ROS2, smart grids, patched Modbus TCP flaws, connected vehicles, fixed V2X spoofing risks, using OWASP IoT Top 10 and Stride threat modeling. Our threat analysis and risk assessment, TARA. 1. Catalog assets, sensors, gateways, cloud APIs. 2. Model threats, Stride, spoofing, tampering, etc. 3. Prioritize by business impact, not just CVSS. We deliver hardware to cloud fixes, example, secure boot enablement. Custom secure SDKs for future devices. Compliance proof, HIPAA, ISO 21434, FDA. Your IoT devices shouldn't be the weakest link. Arm them with battle-tested security.